Hey, I'm Tyler with Modern Outdoor Adventures, and today's video is about the 3 accessories you need for your AR-15. Why do I have this shotgun? Because I left those accessories in the trunk of my Caddy. Pretty sure I left my rifle on the table. Found it. Funny story, it was actually in the passenger seat the whole time. My bad. What were we talking about again? AR-15 Accessories. That's why we're here. So, you got yourself a brand new AR-15. There are an overwhelming number of accessories and options out there for you to screw on, bolt on, tape on, JB weld on, all the things. What are the ones you need? What are the ones you don't need? What is trash and what's legit? So, here we go. This is an AR-15. It's wearing the 3 most important accessories that you can put on it. Starting with accessory number 1, the sling. Slings are crucial because sometimes you need to be able to use your hands. Slings allow you to administratively manipulate that rifle past the point of using your hands to do it. You can't do this with 40 extra PMags. Get yourself a good quality sling and let that be the first thing that you put on. I just so happen to prefer the double belt, the sling from my friends at Blue Alpha. Conversely, Flatline Fiberco makes a solid sling. Very similar in their design. Either way, a great choice. The second most important accessory you can put on your AR-15 is a light. It gets dark an awful lot of hours during the day, people, at least 12, sometimes more if you live in Alaska. Being able to see what you're shooting at, really, really important. This one's made by the solid dudes at Cloud Defensive. Mod Light, great light. Surefire, great light. Streamlight, great light. O-Light, stay away from the O-Light unless you want it to explode. Third thing, accessory-wise, red dot sight. We've had a video about how to zero your red dot sight. If you haven't seen that one, take a gander back in time to our YouTube channel. Take a look on how to sight it in. A quality red dot sight makes this thing an absolute unit. This one's a Aimpoint T2. Trijicon makes a sight. Maybe not the best, but it's a sight. Holosun makes a sight. Aimpoint makes the sight. So, red dot sight, flash of light, sling. 3 most important accessories for your AR. Now look, there's other crap on here. I got some rail scales on here. I got a stock sock on here. That's also another Blue Alpha product. I got a quick detach swivel things on here. I got a suppressor on here. It's all secondary. You got to be able to control the gun. You've got to be able to aim the gun, and you got to be able to see what you're aiming at. I'm Tyler with Modern Outdoor Adventures. This has been top 3 accessories for your AR. Talk about them in the comments. If you like what I had to say, let me know. If you don't like what I have to say, take a hike.